Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Decentraland, MANA, price prediction. MANA prepares for 30% jump as sales above 200 EMA. Decentraland, MANA, price edges higher on Monday with remarkable gains. MANA has been rising along the ascending trend line from the lows of $1.70 to test the swing highs of $3.55 on February 9th. Decentraland, MANA, locks up gains as the fresh trading week begins. Expect an upside of 30% as the price trades above the 200 EMA. A fall below $2.40 could dismiss the bullish outlook for the asset. As of press time, MANA United States dollar is exchanging hands at $2.70, up 5.86% for the day. As per CoinMarketCap, the 24-hour trading volume of the 30th largest cryptocurrency by market cap stands at $856,138,404. On the daily chart, Decentraland, MANA, initiated its downtrend since attaining its record highs on November 25th. The downswing proved to be devastating for the Metaverse coin, as it scaled down nearly 71% in January. Before surging 85%, it gravitated toward its 3-month low on January 24th, while the buyers stepped in to defend the $1.70 level. From here on, bulls are in the process of taking control of the price action, as they seem keen on maintaining the mark. Now, a daily close above the $2.75 mark would position MANA for a possible retest of the $3.53 zone and traverse back into its earlier trend. This would consist of an ascent of 30% from the current levels. Looking at another possibility, MANA is still remain pressured below the 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, at $2.85. A spike in sell order could propel price to break another crucial moving average placed at $2.40. The first downside target could be found at $2.20, followed by the lows of January 24 at $1.80. Technical indicators. RSI. The Daily Relative Strength Index, RSI, has shown recovery from 34 to 46, largest number of listings in the country. Some industry executives reportedly said that many traders flock to exchanges, such as Binance, partly due to the lack of options. JVCA's this decision will hopefully boost the coin listing in the country, which will eventually help cryptocurrency adoption. The new measure will free up JVCA to spend more resources approving new cryptocurrencies as well as initial coin offerings and initial exchange offerings, an official said, reports Nikkei Asia. Binance commits to Ontario shutdown, will block new accounts. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, said it will stop opening new accounts in Ontario, as part of a commitment to the Ontario Securities Commission, OSC, to cease operations in Canada's most populous province. The exchange released an undertaking on Tuesday outlining the steps it will take to wind down its Ontario operations, which include providing withdrawal waivers and fee rebates to existing users in the province. Binance has a troubled history in Ontario. Today's undertaking marks nearly a year of clashes between Binance and the OSC. The exchange had decided to cease operations in Ontario in June 2021, after the OSC alleged it had failed to meet certain regulatory requirements. But in today's undertaking, Binance admits it had still allowed users in Ontario to trade on its platform. It had even incorrectly informed users that it had the necessary approvals to operate in the province. The exchange said it had begun blocking Ontario users since early January, but said that investors were still using its platform. But today's undertaking marks a departure from the company's previous rhetoric with the OSC. Specifically, Binance said the OSC can now pursue legal action against the firm for failure to comply with the ban. This undertaking represents a legally enforceable commitment by Binance to the OSC. The OSC reserves the right to take enforcement action against Binance for any past, present or future breaches of Ontario securities law, not arising from the events described in the undertaking. The OSC said in a separate statement. Only 6 crypto exchanges approved so far by the OSC. So far, Ontario's security regulator has approved only 6 crypto exchanges to operate in the province, with all of them being local operators. Canada does not have a national securities regulator, with each province managing its own capital markets. The OSC is the country's largest, and also regulates the benchmark Toronto Stock Exchange. Binance is still allowed to operate in Canada's other provinces. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.